Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to check out how to update your Bright app to the latest version. Keeping Bright updated ensures that you get the newest features, better performance and stronger security. Here's how to make sure that you're always running the latest version. First, open the App Store if you're on iPhone, or you're on Google Play Store if you're on Android. Tap the search bar and type in Bright. If an update is available, you're going to see an update button next to the app. Tap it and then wait a few moments while the app downloads and installs the latest version. Once updated, open the Bright app and log in as usual. You'll now have access to the newest features, bug fixes, and performance improvements. To avoid missing future updates, you want to consider enabling auto updates in your device's settings. And that's it, you're now running the latest and greatest version of Bright. If this guide helped, then go ahead and like, share, and subscribe for more Bright app tutorials and updates. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.